Hello there, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we have this 3-liter 2003 Toyota Kluger, and we are going to check the registration of this 2003 Toyota Kluger. You can see this is 3-liter with a Kluger marking at the back, and the main chassis number is at the front. You have to open the hood so that you can get to the main chassis number of this Toyota Kluger. It's a powerful 4x4 with a 3-liter engine, V6 VVTi. This is it is marked. This is the main chassis number. At the center of this firewall, that's where you see the main chassis number of this 2003 Toyota Kluger. The main engine number, or 1 MZ engine number, it's at the right hand side when facing this vehicle, just next to the gearbox. Let me try to zoom it. There you go. That is our main chassis engine number for this V6 engine Toyota Kluger V6. And now let's go to the sticker. It is at the passenger door pillar. You see, this is the passenger door, and this is the main sticker of this 2003 Toyota Kluger, and that is a quick registration of this 2003 Toyota Kluger. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and comment.